battle has that one secret weapon, the one that never fails. We've swung the sword of factoring, we've unlocked vaults with the safe lock of completing the square, but today I will hand you the ultimate weapon, the golden key. This key doesn't care if the equation is messy, tricky, or impossible to factor. It will open the door. In our first video, the 3 steps to crack any quadratic, I told you about the 3 weapons. We've mastered 2, factoring and completing the square. If you missed those, make sure to check them out. But now it's time to unlock any quadratic, no matter how tough, with the golden key. That is the quadratic formula. The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. This is the master key. You just plug the numbers in and twist. Now let's use the golden key for this equation. Let's write out the terms. A is the coefficient of x squared. So that means A equals 2, B is 7, and C is 3. Let's write out our formula. Our formula says x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's plug it in and twist. So we have minus b, that will give negative 7, then plus or minus the square root of b squared, this is 7 squared, then minus 4 times a is 2, then times c is 3, and all over 2 times 2. Now let's solve further so that we have negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 square is 49, then minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. So we have minus 24 all over 4. Let's solve further so that we have negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 24 will give 25 all over 4. Let's continue. So we have negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 25 is 5 over 4. That means we'll be having negative 7 plus 5 over 4, or negative 7 minus 5 over 4. Negative 7 minus 7 plus 5 will be negative 2, then over 4, or negative 12 over 4. And this will give minus 1 over 2 or minus 3. Even with awkward numbers, the golden key never fails. So there you have it, the sword of factoring, quick and sharp, the safe lock of completing the square, steady and precise, the golden key of quadratic formula, powerful and universal. With these 3 weapons, no quadratic can stop you. Now it's your turn. Practice, master them, and pass them on, because math isn't about fear, it is about strategy. And remember, you now hold the golden key. If you have any question that you want me to solve, maybe a tricky quadratic question, leave it in the comments and I will help you solve it in the later video.